and welcome back to All Things Duncombe. Alright, so as you can see, I have flat twist in my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I take this down. If you want to see how to achieve this look in particular, check out the iCards. I will have the video linked to where I show you piece by piece, step by step on how to do the flat twist. So, before we get into this, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join the team. All of you are returning members of the All Things Duncombe squad. I guess that's what we're going to call y'all for right now. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I have more content for you guys coming each and every week. So, we're going to be taking down my flat twist. I did this style on Monday after I washed my hair, and then it is now Friday. So, it's been in for all week. First things first, I gotta take these jewels out. I have jewelry all throughout to kind of fix where the twists weren't too perfect. But I'm just gonna take this out. Ooh. I didn't take the best care of these twists, so they're a little frizzy, so I wanna see what this is gonna look like. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start taking the twist down, and then when I get to a certain point, I will take the jewelry out. So the oil that I'm gonna use to put on my twists when I take them down is Jamaican black castor oil. This is supposed to be pure Jamaican black castor oil. Oh, forgive me, y'all. My country be coming out sometime. Not oil. Oil, and because the beauty supply store puts such a big censor on there, I can't even read the ingredients, but it has some other stuff, so obviously it's not 100%. But anyway, this is the oil I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hand. See, just that much. Shh. Then I'm just gonna rub it on my hair. Since this is a little TWA, and that means teeny weeny afro if you guys don't know. I don't need that much. So I'm just gonna start from the bottom one. And like I said, these were not the neatest twists, and I didn't take as good care of them as I could have. But we're just gonna start with taking down the back. But not too bad. Alright, so that's one twist. You can see it's pretty defined. Even in the back, you can see the little curls. And I'm on the second one. So you go in the opposite direction of the way you've twisted it when you were styling it. The one at the bottom. When you're twisting it, you just go in the opposite direction and then bring it out. Gently separate the hair. Alright, so the hair is all the way out. pick it out with my fingers first. You can see it's still pretty defined. And this is what the back is looking like. So, all right, so I'm gonna pick it out a little bit. So overall, I'm feeling it. It's like a little fro and it's defined. I do have some areas where it's a little frizzy, but that's just because I didn't wear a scarf every single night all day when I laid on it. But you can see it's really defined at the top, so I like that, and throughout. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. More content, like I say, is coming for you guys very soon, okay? Very, very soon. Let me know some things that you want to see, whether it's natural hair, some skin routines you want me to try, different products that you're curious about and you want me to try, or you want me to show you how to use them. I'm ready to do it all, you guys. Let me know what you think. Let's support each other. Let's love each other. And I will see you guys in the next video.